down the track. It's a bigger, straight as an arrow.
Good use of the feet. Played the ball underneath his eyes. His weight transfer and bat speed through the shot was beautiful.
Tries aggressively. Amla missed the ball initially. I think he missed the fly with that one. Didn't see it in the backdrop. Peterson is not happy. 159 for final. South Africa, a great bit, but boundaries will. Nice long stride into that drive. Amla
playing reckless shots. They want to teach him a lesson. They'll go all the way.
Changing too much. It might be Razzaq if he keeps hitting the ball like that.
Good effort there.
And I guess they need to.
Absolutely amazing the way he hits the ball. Just moves his leg off the way.
He's hit that one. And he's hit it a long way. Terrific stuff. And that was an outstanding stroke. Slashed away. 4 runs. That's what they need.
Abdulrazzaq swinging it hard. Even the top edge will go for 4.
Oh, goodness me. That is a fantastic shot. Gets him to 50 as well. His 23rd one-day international 50. Abdulrazzaq applauded in the crowd. He's destructive, all right. The equation now 59 from 36. His great strength, which is bounce. And it works a lot of the time. That's a good shot.
If you want to be critical, he probably could have said, well, at this stage of the innings, he should be up in the block island straight at the stumps, but he hasn't bowled that length.
Oh, goodness, that is clubbed. That is clubbed. It's gone really flat.
Well, that was a great shot. Shot level fall, just missing his length. Didn't get it far enough up, so good strike by Abdulrazzaq. Shaver Dumini did his level best at mid-off, but that cleared him. He hit that so well.
Oh, goodness.
He's going to punish you. Shah Langefeld again, not getting it up far enough. Missing that Yorker length. So second 6 in the over.
He strikes him well. This time along the ground, lots of work to do in the deep. Colin Ingram does it. Gonna get back for a second. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! What a strike!
20 off the over so far. Terrific batting by Abdulrazzaq. Not the best of death bowling by Shah Langefeld. Got to be full and you got to be straight. That was a slow delivery, right in the arc, but well struck.
Free hit. Oh, picks it up. What a shot. Not too far short of being 6. It's gone for 4. Bonus. 26 from 14. That's what's required now.
Well, that was a great shot. Not the best of deliveries. Well, Abdulrazzaq's got no choice. They just got the 1 wicket left, so he's just got to keep going and hope for the best. SouthAfrica can hit a few, but it's up to Abdulrazzaq.
Oh, that's why. That's why he wants to be on strike and he wants to hit some boundaries and ensure that Pakistan get home. Oh, 6 off the first ball, throws it wide open.
Well, Shah Langefeld is taking a fearful battering. Previous over went for 20. Again, he's in the slot, missing his length. Got to be full and you've got to be straight. Or full and just inside the wide line on the offside. When you bowl that length, you're right in the arc.
Oh my word! Goodness me! That was a crack off the bat. 4 runs.
Attempted bouncer. Well, Shah Langefeld is definitely not getting it right. He's trying to bowl too many different deliveries. So he's actually confusing himself and making it tough for Johan Buerta to set a field.
Oh, goodness me! He smoked that! Right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for 6. He's on to 99, Abdulrazzaq.
What a shot. Albie Morkel, full task, missing the Yorker length. Razzaq, he's not going to miss out on that. That takes him to 99 as well. Sensational inning so far.
Oh my word! Can you believe it? Can you believe it? 100 up, he brings it up with 100. With a 6, I should say. 105 of 70 balls. Just 2 runs left to get now for Pakistan. This is in the slot, and he just dispatches it out the park.
Oh, we keep talking about that length. You cannot get your length wrong at the death.
Fine leg. Oh, it's a big appeal from behind. AB de Villiers has gone up, but a belated appeal from Albie Morkel. He's convinced AB de Villiers, but needed some help. We'll need to listen to that.
But a few controversial decisions tonight. Pretty tough to tell. AB de Villiers was convinced. Mind he was convinced over before as well with the ball carried to him, and that was given not out as well. So he's perplexed.
Felt that Pakistan had capitulated again. Different now. Pakistan have got home a sensational innings by Abdulrazzaq. 109 from 72 balls. He's taken his side single-handedly home and beaten South Africa. It was done and dusted. Johan Botha and his men would have felt that they were home, just about home, and needed a clinical performance, and they were on their way there with a performance that seemingly was clinical. But brilliance, sheer brilliance by Abdulrazzaq has meant that Pakistan have squared the series. It's South Africa's first loss.